The problem here is we are dealing with vibration, and the car also flicks this light, the check engine lights, during highways. So if you've got a vezel which is running the same thing, no problem. Feel free as to help us, tell us the problem. That's our main area of specialty. Yeah, I think you can now see it's now flaking, and after flaking the revs goes down and this light comes up. So we'll show you as the resource goes, and including the steps that we're going to take. We don't cut corners.